Come take a look at this 2007 Toyota Tundra. Carfax has certified this Tundra as having one owner. This Tundra has just under 79,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Tundra boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power passenger seat, AM/FM stereo, tow package, passenger airbag and heated mirrors. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.